My name is Peter, and I'm the director and owner of Smart City Insights. Well, the cities are facing a lot of difficult challenges today. So one of the most interesting topics at the moment is the climate adaptation. So the change of the climate. We see flooding in a lot of cities, including Copenhagen, but also many other cities. You also see that more people are moving into the cities, so there's a question about space, which is then also about traffic and many other things. Well, there's a lot of definition of what smart cities is and what the concept is. The way I work with it is that data and technology can be used to understand the city much better than we could before. But also you need to utilize the local resources, and by that I mean citizens and companies, and technology and data can also be a very important part of this. Some of the solutions we see here in Denmark are using the technology and the data. One of these examples is that in southern Jutland they are using drones to look at the underground water pipes, and it can then look at where there's heat, and where there's heat there's a big chance that there's a leakage in the pipe. One of the other examples we see here in Copenhagen and other parts of Denmark as well is flood prevention. Here you actually use data and different types of technology to understand how the water is moving at different events. So 100-year events where there's a lot of rain coming here and a lot of flooding. Then you actually understand the areas of the city where you have the biggest problems. And then you can apply technological solutions. But one of the things we've done a lot here in Copenhagen is to use our design thinking and then create parks, which then when the rain is coming actually have a lot of streams, water streams instead. One of the key challenges we see for implementing smart city and the smart city concept is the balance between making technological investments and also how you have the governance structure in place actually to use those investments. So one of the key things we hear from Danish cities especially is if they invest in technologies, is one investment and then multiple solutions that has to come out of that investment.